Good morning, guys. It's Emmanuel once again, and we are here on Hamster Daily Cipher. Okay, so like I always say, this daily cipher will be valid today until 8 p.m. Nigerian time. Today being Sunday, 7th of July. Okay, so what are we spelling today? What are we spelling today? Let me get to my WhatsApp group and see. So we are spelling fiat. Okay, we are spelling fiat today. That is our Morse code. Fiat, fiat. And as usual, we are going to consult our chat boss. This is the boss we are going to use to spell fiat today. Okay, so and the first letter in fiat is letter F. This is letter F. So we get on with it immediately. And how do we spell F? F is spelled as dot dot dash dot 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 dash dot. Okay, that is tap tap hold and tap. Okay, so let's get on with it. Dot dot dash dot. And before we get there, we know how to turn our daily cipher button. Just tap here, and then the button will be activated. So we have done that. So letter F is spelled as dot dot dash dot. So let's do that. Dot dot dash dot. Okay, so we have spelled letter F. The next letter on the line is letter I. And how do you spell letter I? Here is I. This is I. Okay, I is fairly easy. You spell I as dot 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 dot. Just two dots. Just tap on your phone, pam pam, and you are done. Okay, so let's do that. So dot 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 dot. Letter I has been spelled. Okay, so we are now in letter A. Letter A. Let's get on with it. How do you spell letter A? Letter A is spelled as dot dash dot dash. Tap on your phone, then release and hold, and that is all. Dot dash. So let's get on with it. Dot dash. So dot dash. Letter A. And then we are heading to the last but not the least, which is letter T. Please, if you have stayed up to this moment, it will be my pleasure and happiness if you can subscribe, then turn on the bell notification. This video comes every day, every day, every day. We don't relent here. And once you turn on the bell notification and put it on all, once I drop a video like this, there is a reminder on your screen and you come and watch it and get what you want. Okay, so letter T. Letter T. Letter T is very easy. Just hold your screen and then release one dash. Letter T, one dash. Okay, so let's do it. Letter T, you hold your screen and then you release. And then that is letter T. Fiat has been spelled. And then we take our prize. Okay, so I got a good job. See you today. Okay, so that is that. Please like and share as well. Share to your friends and family, and God bless you. I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. Bye bye.